Welcome to the future of construction. Today, we're diving into the world of smart construction sites, where IoT connectivity revolutionizes efficiency and safety. Imagine a construction site where every machine, every material, and every worker is seamlessly connected through the Internet of Things. These small, but powerful devices, embedded in equipment and infrastructure, gather real-time data on performance, status, and environmental conditions. Project managers have access to this data at their fingertips, allowing them to monitor progress, identify bottlenecks, and make informed decisions. But IoT connectivity goes beyond mere monitoring. It enables predictive maintenance, allowing construction teams to anticipate equipment failures before they occur. Safety is paramount on any construction site. With IoT sensors detecting hazards and providing real-time alerts, workers can stay safe and avoid accidents. IoT connectivity also optimizes the supply chain, ensuring that materials are delivered on time and minimizing delays. Energy efficiency is another benefit of IoT-enabled construction sites. Smart management of lighting, HVAC, and other systems reduces energy consumption and costs. Data-driven decision-making is the backbone of smart construction. By analyzing IoT-generated data, stakeholders can optimize workflows and improve project outcomes. Wearable IoT devices, such as smart helmets and vests, monitor worker safety and well-being, ensuring that they stay healthy and productive. And let's not forget about quality control. IoT sensors monitor the quality of materials and structures, ensuring that projects meet high standards. By integrating IoT data with building information modeling, stakeholders can visualize and simulate construction projects, improving planning and execution. From real-time monitoring to predictive maintenance, from safety enhancements to supply chain optimization, IoT connectivity is transforming construction sites into smarter, more efficient, and safer environments. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next video.